Hey guys, so the clone tool is a tool if I wanted to kind of cover up all of this stuff in front. I'm selling my car and I don't want all this junk in front of it on the street. So I'm going to use clone because I can't just blur it out because then you will see the texture difference, but clone will do the trick. So we're going to go to adjust, clone. So this little circle is what is actually going to be cloned. So you can move that to usually right outside of whatever you're cloning is the best bet. Also, you want to take a brush. I'm using the soft airbrush because I want it to be fairly big and I want the edges to be sort of feathered so that it looks as natural as possible. Now, as you see, as I go around here, it's taking all of this information from here. Let's move this over. And it's going to replace everything that's in that spot with whatever's in this general area right here. I'll move this over so we can get rid of, make my brush a little bigger, move this closer, and just get rid of all this junk. Okay, and now I'm actually going to get rid of this can as well. So I'll put this pretty close to it. Now I'm putting it on the other side because I really want it to match the differences in colors and things like that in the photo. That's the only way that it's going to look the most natural. So there we go. So that looks a lot better. So that's a quick and dirty of how to use the clone tool. Remember, it's in adjust and it's right below liquify, and it's very, very useful for things like that. I'll even take out some of this stuff too. Clone. I'll use this, and then I'll just kind of lighten this up, just as it takes away from the image. Whoops! See what happened? I went up here, and it started to replace the tire. So you just want to be careful of that. You just want to make sure that you're not getting too close to something in the photo, or else it will start to clone that too. That's better. Looks a lot better.